Okay, so there's a new launch with the SOUNDPEATS Capsule 3 Pro Plus that are basically a brand new launch being released. And so this is going to be pretty cool because these earphones are going to pack some solid features. But if you're brand new, I appreciate you for coming through. Make sure you stay locked in. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Hey, what's up? Hope all is well. It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Capsule 3 Pro Plus high-res audio LDAC codec support when it comes to these headphones with adaptive ANC and dual dynamic drivers. So these are going to be packing 43 hours of battery life with the case included. You're also going to be getting some stickers inside of the package. You get 6 mics on here as well, so you're going to get some pretty decent call quality. User guide inside of the package, which is going to walk you through everything that you need to know about the Capsule 3 Pro Plus earphones. The price on these earphones is $74.99, marked down from the $249. You're going to save $174 if you purchase them right now. But these are going to be Bluetooth 5.3. They're going to offer the 6 microphones. They're going to have a 12mm large driver with the xMEMS dual driver. And so the xMEMS speaker is going to give you 95 times stronger materials than plastic and 4 times faster when it comes to the speeds. The case is a matte material finish. You also do get a Type-C short cable inside of the package as well. So these are going to give you an LED light as soon as you plug them in. The LED light will change color to yellow when it's actually low on battery, orange when it's getting like very low, and then red when you actually need to charge it. SOUNDPEATS also offers customizable ear tips with the orange lining, which is also cool. And they give you small, medium, and large. As far as the pairing process, it's going to be pretty simple. All you have to do is leave the headphones in the case and lift the lid, or you could take them out and they will immediately pair to the brand new application called Peats Audio. So one of the upgrades with the Peats Audio app is that you can now customize the buttons as well as, you know, get very good EQ customization as well. You also do get a couple of presets in there too to play around with. And so it does take a few seconds for everything to configure when you're adjusting the EQ. So it's not instantaneous. So you do have a little bit of a wait time. Now, as far as the audio experience, you're going to get high-res audio wireless with LDAC support. And these are going to give you 3 times the transmission speed. So with that high-res audio and the LDAC codec, it's going to deliver really good detail and clarity. Another thing about the application on here is that it's extremely customizable. You get adaptive noise cancellation. You also do get the transparency mode on here as well as normal mode. And so when I was customizing it on the EQ app with the V-shaped formation, I did notice a lot of bass and extremely good detail when listening to it. It does give you LDAC support audio codec with 24-bit to 96 kilohertz, which is going to be the highest bit rate, up to 990 kilobits per second, which is going to be lossless sound quality, which is going to be a little bit more pleasant. When it comes to watching movies and gaming on these headphones, it's going to be a good experience because the headset has, you know, hitting left 3 times to enter game mode, and you can get 70 milliseconds of low latency, which is also going to be pretty cool when it comes to finding the position of other players in games like PUBG. The Capsule Peats 3 Pro Plus are going to give you multi-point connection so that you can connect 2 devices as well simultaneously. You're also going to be able to get the prompt for Google Assistant so that you can basically talk to the Gemini or whatever, the Siri, and be able to get useful information on the fly. So as far as the touch controls, it was pretty straightforward. You do get 1 tap on the left to decrease the volume, 1 tap on the right to raise the volume. You also do get double tap on both to pause it. And as far as changing your tracks, you can customize that button, but on the right side it will give you long hold in on for 3 seconds to change the track, and on the left side it will change to ANC. You get transparency mode or normal. And so when it comes to the battery life, you're going to be promised 43 hours altogether when you're using it in AAC and normal mode. But when you're using it in LDAC mode with the ANC or the transparency mode, just keep in mind it might be like 4.5 hours. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. But the case will charge up the headset 5.5 more times, which is kind of cool. And so the materials on here is like a matte material, and you're also getting a golden strip with the highlighted grill, which is golden. And so these are going to be a stylish earphone, especially when you're using them. They have a stent style design, which I think is pretty cool because it's going to actually give you better microphones when it comes to outdoor environments. And you know, I definitely think these are going to be a solid pair of earphones when it comes to the overall experience. And so for the price point, I could definitely say these are promising. They do have really good durability when it comes to the IPX4. They're also going to give you a nice texture when it comes to the fit with the customizable ear tips. The case does have 5.5 times of charging, which will give you about 43 hours overall. And so these are going to have 45 dB noise cancellation with adaptive active noise cancellation with 6 mics, with feed mic forward, feed mic back, and talk mic.
What's up? This is the Capsule 3 Pro Plus. Let me know what you guys think about the microphones. It's actually raining right now, but luckily these headphones have IPX4 waterproof rating, so they're gonna be good when it comes to light rain, medium rain, sometimes even heavy rain. But you don't want to get these completely immersed in water. But let me know what you guys think about the outdoor environment. As you can see, I'm just walking with the earphones, talking through the microphone. So this is just to give you an idea of what it sounds like in an outdoor environment. Hey, what's going on? This is a quick microphone test on the Capsule 3 Pro Plus. Let me know what you guys think about the Capsule 3 Pro Plus. This is an indoor environment. Let me turn on the fan. All right, so this is the Capsule 3 Pro Plus. Let me know if you can hear my voice over the fan noise up top. But let me know what you guys think about the indoor sound quality when it comes to the microphones when you're talking through an indoor environment. And then I'm going to turn off the fans. So let me know what you guys think about the audio quality when it comes to these microphones on here.
So I definitely think that when it comes to the SOUNDPEATS Capsule 3 Pro Plus earphones, these are going to give you a very good experience in a lot of different areas when it comes to high resolution audio and LDAC codec. It's going to be promising you very good clarity as well as detail, so you're going to be able to experience very good sound quality. These also do have really good speakers on here, so you're going to be getting the dual driver, which is going to deliver extremely good punchy bass as well. You can actually get the new Peats audio application, which is going to be enabling you to add on to your customization and fine tuning of how you want the audio to sound like. And so I definitely think that this was a big improvement as well. And so the case that they offer gives you really good battery endurance, so you can get multiple charges throughout the day if you're using these headphones. You also do get the reset button on here, as well as multi-point connection. And so I definitely think with the transparency and ANC modes, as well as the ability to EQ these, as well as use them for gaming, you're going to get a very good experience when it comes to the SOUNDPEATS Capsule 3 Pro Plus. But let me know what you guys think about these headphones, and if you're still here, just type down below I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.